Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Trinity Stamps. Today I'm doing a product close-up for the Warm Hearts 3x4 stamp and coordinating die set. This is the latest addition to our Love Dani Studios line of products. The stamp set consists of a single stamp which will give you the sentiment and focal image, and at 3x4 it's great for any size of card or even for a tag. The die set that is available that coordinates with this is awesome because it cuts out each of those words individually, and it also will cut that cute snuggly heart image too. But you also get the dies to cut the image elements individually, so that allows for some really fun paper piecing techniques. I think that this set is a lot of fun and really versatile. Here are some examples of what the design team have been making with these awesome products. So we hope that you will love these as much as we do. Have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.